my dash. Go tswa e be le lena.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now that is Shebeshet replying to my dash, the side chick who happens to be a minor. Yes, I will remind you every time that that child is a minor. Ngwana. Shebeshet o re le bana ba school with the truth. But anyway, he was replying to her. I mean, he's just mumbling nonsense. Honestly, he's not even saying anything, right? I mean, yeah, he said that people are editing. There's edit. This is the same thing that Kolo also said. Shame, guys. Oh my god, like Shebe cheated. I mean, AI can only go that far. AI can only go that far. And why Kolo called another girl, another another woman because of her man is cheating, I still don't understand even today. And mind you, this is something that happens almost every day in South Africa. Like South African men cheat, hey? Like South African men cheat like there's nobody else's business. I would even put 1 million and say 95% of people in this country are cheating. I will put money on it. I promise I will. Men are cheating. But the funny part about this whole thing is that Ushebeshet is not denying, neither is he confirming anything. He's just mumbling nonsense. I don't know what the hell he's doing. I mean, he's been posting back-to-back videos. Yo, guys. And people were like, you know what? I think that he likes my dash, right? That's the reason why Asamoroge. That's the reason why he's not like Asamoroge, because of he likes her. But some believe that maybe it's because of he knows that if he says something wrong, my dash will bring more evidence. Honestly, time will tell. But all I can say is that you can never stop a man from cheating. If he wants to be with another woman, he will be. As much as it can hurt you and you can go crazy calling another woman, swearing at her and doing whatever and going just like a crazy wife or a crazy girlfriend. At the end of the day, your man likes her and there's nothing you can do about it. There's absolutely nothing you can do about a man who's already in love with another woman. Shem. Either you're gonna stay there, be that umbogoto, or you're going to leave. Either of the two, but never ever find yourself calling another woman and say that whether you're busy with my man. Don't ever do that. Confront that man of yours that's cheating. Yeah, I feel bad for Kolo. I don't want to lie. I really feel bad for her and I hope that she heals in this time. So guys, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and here is the full video.
My dash. Go tswa e be le lena. Go tswa e be le lena. Damn it. Sibiti se ska ka soma. Wena swana fene windmill o drive o tswena. O fene ngwa ke kushishi. Awe bo my dash, how are you feeling? You feeling? Oh, si feeling. Damn it, wena. Damn. Le bone lo re edita le na man. Le re pigmix le re Photoshop le re. Oh shit. Eish. Yalla.